Welcome to our channel today. We'll highlight the incredible expertise and accuracy required to transport the biggest heavy machinery and oversized loads. Get ready to witness some of the most daring and breathtaking maneuvers in the industry. Let's jump right in. Witness the remarkable transport of two 6,200-ton passenger vessels, the heaviest ever built in Turkey, using 200 axles and 1,600 wheels. Haircut moved the 124-meter ships to a floating dock at Yalova Tersan shipyard for final sea construction. A prominent example is the Haircut Company, which transported a 600-ton autoclave over a distance of 180 kilometers in 65 days, using a 22-axle, 3-valve Goldhofer PST/SL-E hydraulic transporter. Transporting the Liber R9800, weighing up to 800 tons and featuring a 42 cubic meter capacity, requires careful logistics due to its massive size. Its components must be disassembled for safe transport, followed by precise assembly on site for optimal productivity. Transporting the 376-ton GE gas turbine showcased the scale's convoy's expertise. Specialized trailers ensured safe movement, requiring meticulous planning to navigate challenges. The operation highlights the complexities of transporting massive energy components. The Liber 974 excavator, weighing 150 tons, was transported using specialized Goldhofer trailers by Fasula's Heavy Transports. The operation involved careful loading and safety protocols, showcasing the complexities of moving large construction machinery efficiently and safely. This is NASA's Crawler Transporter, the largest self-powered vehicle on Earth, responsible for moving 60 million-pound rockets 4.2 miles from the vehicle assembly building to the launch pad. It's crucial for transporting NASA's heaviest rocket, the Space Launch System, with remarkable precision. This is a detailed overview of transporting the 110-ton Komatsu D475AX bulldozer, measuring 4.1 meters in height and 3.7 meters in width. Bolted's heavy transport utilized specialized low-loader trailers, emphasizing the complexities of moving such massive machinery safely. The operation involved transporting a 260-ton transformer for TANET, with coil swirlast utilizing a 535-ton total train weight over 78 meters. The transport featured Goldhofer Grainer 600 Caesar lift bridges and two MB4165 MP3 Titans, showcasing the complexities of heavy transport logistics. Haney's trucks show expert heavy hauling, flawlessly distributing the weight of 39.5-meter beams, each weighing 10 tons with 3 bucks, navigating tight spaces and traffic. This operation highlights the importance of precise planning and execution in handling massive 30-ton loads. Wow! This massive convoy hauling mining machinery from Anagasta to Kama is beyond impressive. The Caterpillar 795F AC off-highway truck boasts a 318 metric ton payload and a 3,400 horsepower engine, showcasing exceptional performance in heavy-duty applications. Let's witness the Volvo L350H wheel loader being transported on a low-bed trailer, specifically designed for heavy equipment. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to catch all the exciting content coming up next. With 124 axle lines of SPMT maneuvering vessels that weigh over 1 million pounds each, they've even built their own temporary dock. The precision and coordination involved in this operation are truly mind-blowing. The U-17 submarine was meticulously transported 50 kilometers from Technic Speyer to Xinshai Museum using specialized shore intercombi systems. The €2 million 4-week project ensured safe heavy transport, preserving maritime history. You are witnessing the transport of a massive 68-meter-long lorry carrying a 143-ton electrical transformer through Saray. The operation was handled by ALE, an international heavy transport contractor with extensive experience in substation relocations. The transportation of these wind turbine blade by QJ International Trading Company Limited in China spans 300 kilometers, with a blade length of up to 80 meters and a weight of 20 tons, moving at a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour through difficult mountain terrain. Haircats successfully transported a 10-meter-high, 8-meter diameter converter tank using two 8-axle low-bed trailers. The journey involved raising power lines and navigating confined overpasses. The Letorno L2350, the world's largest wheel loader at 250 tons, boasts a 40 cubic yard bucket and stands 20 feet tall. Its transport involves specialized heavy haulage, multiple 16-axle trailers, and meticulous planning, solidifying its Guinness World Record status. Experience unparalleled versatility with a Trail King cart, configurable for a Schnabel setup with a steerable 13-axle configuration, or paired with a Jeep dolly. It supports loads up to 300 tons, featuring a 65-degree steering angle, and offers wireless manual operation and automatic leveling. Do you know how containers are transported at the port? Let's see. The Contlift Container Mover is a versatile machine for commercial ports. Lift containers to 45 tons and move at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour, increasing efficiency without the need for additional cranes. Paul DeLong Heavy Haul expertly transported the Grove Crawler crane, weighing 440 tons and reaching 400 feet, from Conexpo in Las Vegas. The operation involved specialized trailers, permits, and escort vehicles to ensure safe and compliant transit. This video showcases Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform trailer, configured with a 2x4x8 beams, capable of handling loads up to 80,000 pounds. The electronic steering system allows simultaneous steering of all 12 axles, enhancing maneuverability and handling. Check out another impressive piece of transport equipment. This is the Ericsson Sky Crane, a heavy-lift helicopter that can carry 2,650 gallons of water and reload in less than 30 seconds. It supports aerial firefighting, enhancing wildfire response efforts. Have you ever wondered how massive ships are transported onto land? The Marine Travel Lift A2C Netherlands can lift massive ships effortlessly with an 820-ton capacity, 49-foot height, and 82-foot length, utilizing a hydraulic system for precise and damage-free maneuverability.